You see this problem. X, Y, and Z are the partners in the firm. X, Y, Z are the partners in the firm. Then, of which Z is a non-working partner. Z is a non-working partner. Who are working partners? X and Y. X and Y are the working partners. Clear? In the P&L account, debit side, other expenses are there. P&L account, credit side, incomes are there. Okay. When you see the P&L account, credit side, what are the incomes shown in the P&L account, credit side? Gross profit is there, that is related to business. Second is interest on FD. Interest on FD is a business income or any other income. सामान्य आदमी interest on then FD is the point. It is related to business head or not. It is not related to business. Then we said income from other source. Okay, it is not related to business. Then next is interest on government security. Is it related to business? No, it is also not related. It is related to other source. The net loss is there, that is related to business. Clear? Then out of those expenses, which are allowable and which are disallowed? Establishment expenses allowable. Then rent to partner. Rent to partner is allowable. If that rent is paid to the partner for the use of building or any property. If that is reasonable. If it is not reasonable, then that is disallowed. Remember it. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು ರೀಸನೇಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಎದ್ವಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸಲವ್ ಆಗ್ತತಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲೌಯಬಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಡಿಸಲೌಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 14% ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸಲವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 2% ಡಿಸಲೌಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ then professional tax is allowable you professional tax ತುಂಬಿರಕ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡುದಿಲ್ಲ that is required for business. The income tax is not related to business. It is on your income. So it is disallowed. Income tax provision disallowed. It is not related to business. Loss on sale of machinery. Which end? Is it related to business? Machinery is related to business, I agree. But loss on sale of machinery is there. The loss on sale of machinery is not related to business. The loss comes under the capital gain. That is the item related to capital gain. Related to. The capital gain. Okay. Depreciation 8,000 is there. If it is allowable, you allow it. Allow disallow. Okay. Then it's here. Establishment expense include commission paid to check 10,000. Is it allowable? Commission paid to check is there. That is disallowed. And furniture purchase 2,000. Furniture is related to business, but it is capital expenditure. That is capital expenditure. Disallowed. Disallowed. The machinery sold during the previous year, cost is 10,000. So the written down value is 15,000. Written down value is 15,000. Sale value 10,000. Loss is 5,000. Which is shown in the P&L. Okay. If the written down as is given in the problem, loss is called as short term. Okay, the loss is called as short term loss, capital loss. Okay, and only one asset is that block. Then allowable depreciation is what is allowable depreciation? $8. Depreciation given in the P&L account is 8,000, allowable is 8,000. Then there is no portion of disallowed. Disallowed portion. Okay. Now in this problem, there are three heads of income. What are those three heads? Three heads. First is business, second is capital gain, third is other source. Okay. Three heads of incomes are there. Two head income is all. In two head income, you calculate one. Here, you calculate three heads of income, and you have to adjust the set off. If there is possibility of set off, you have to set off because there is loss. One loss is there, and business loss is there. Business loss is there, capital loss is there. Really set off of set off now. Set off model we carry forward to the next assessment year. Set off carry forward detail. Yes. Now you tell me the income from business. Yes, calculate one. What net cost building. Total -4. Net cost facility 30,000. You take minus 30,000. Minus 30,000 you take. Add disallowed expenses. What are the disallowed? In the debit side. Interest on capital 60,000 plus. First two are allowed. $60,000. Body potential building group model. Body product. First 60,000 you take. Okay. Second interest on capital 14,000 into 2y. 14,000 total interest. 14,000 into 2 by 14. 2,000. Okay. Plus 2,000. One. Minus 30,000 plus 60,000 plus 4,000. Clear. Next, professional tax is allowable. Debit. Income tax 10,000. Take plus 10,000 income tax. Plus 10,000 provision for income tax. Plus loss on sale of machinery 5,000. Not related to this end. Plus 5,000. Okay. Plus commission 10,000. Plus commission 10,000. Plus furniture 2,000. See total? 1 lakh 69,000. 1 lakh 69,000 debit side. Okay. Don't waste my time. minus 30,000 minus plus 60,000 plus 2,000, then 10,000, 10,000, 5,000. This 8,000 depreciation is allowed because allowed is also 8,000. Otherwise, you take 8,000 and add, in less side you take 8,000. No problem. Okay. After this 10,000 plus 2,000. What? The total of this is, I think, 69,000. 69,000 total. In this 69,000, credit side portion completed. Complete credit side. Credit side, what are the incomes not related to business? What are the incomes not related to business? One is FD interest minus interest on government security minus 59,000. 59,000 is the book profit. Okay. That's the book profit. 59,000 book profit. There 59,000 is the book profit. You see here. Matlab will be clear. Calculation homework. You calculate working partner remuneration. What is working partner remuneration? 90% of book profit or 1,50,000, whichever is more. Today, I will do 1,50,000 book profit. 90% calculate number million. If your book profit is less than 1,50,000, you book for calculating 90% directly take 1,50,000. Here, 1,50,000 is the first point. 90% part is another. Here, second point, actual remuneration paid. What is the actual remuneration paid to the working partner? Who are the working partner? That is non-working. X and Y. What is the amount paid to X and Y? Amount paid to X and Y in the form of salary, commission, bonus, etc. 60,000. 60,000 or 1,50,000, whichever is less, is allowable reduction. 60,000 is allowable reduction. If you deduct 60,000, what is your balance? What is your book profit? 59,000 or 69. 59,000. In the 59,000, you deduct 60,000. Minus 1,000 means loss. Okay. Loss from business is 1,000. Here, that is completed. Loss from business is 1,000. Then come to the next step, capital gain. What is capital gain? You take this. Sale proceeds of machinery 10,000. Return of value 15,000. Short term capital loss is 5,000. Okay. Business loss 1,000. Short term capital loss 5,000. Then come to the next step. Correct. Other source. What are the other source income? 1,000 is interest on FD. 9,000 is the interest on government security. What is total? 10,000. 10,000 is the income from other source. Here, business loss 1,000. Short-term capital loss 5,000. Income from other source 10,000. Then you have to set off. What is the procedure for set off regarding business loss? First, you try to set off in the same source. Okay. Only one head is not possible. You can set off from the other head. Other head, except income from salary. Salary will be adjust model. 10,000 you have to class other sources. 10,000 show 1,000 adjust marking under section 71. Once are adjust after other thing. Then come to the short-term capital loss. Short-term capital loss is to adjust in short-term capital gain or long-term capital gain. Is there short-term or long-term capital gain is a problem? No. Okay, what to do? That is carry forward for net assessment here. Here. Net loss is 30,000. You already taken it. The next is these are the items you calculated. Okay. This is your book profit. Working partner remuneration 1,50,000 or 60,000. Clear? Whichever is less. Minus 1,000 is called as loss from business. Clear? Loss from business. Then you calculate income from other source. FD is interest on FD 1,000, interest on government security 9,000, total 10,000. Okay. Out of 10,000, you adjust 1,000, balance is 9,000. Below this you calculate capital gains. Full value of consideration 10,000 less WDV 15,000 5,000 that is carry forward to next assessment year. And gross total income is only 9,000.